Hi, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to be creating a reference for yourself. So please make sure you do this neatly and that you keep up with it, because you're going to need this when we get into Unit 2. And if you're in my accelerated coordinate algebra analytic geometry, you're going to need it for analytic geometry. So please make sure you're doing this to the best of your ability. All right. So what you see here, you see a listing of all of the properties. Guys, I'm not asking you to do every single property that's on this sheet because there are 21, I believe. I'm asking you to do 12 of those. And they're the ones we're going to use most often in here for what we're going to be doing. So you'll notice that the list is different than what's in the chart. I group the chart based on whether it's addition or whether it's multiplication, etc. So the commutative property of addition. So what we do is we come over to the sheet and we look for commutative, here we go, commutative property of addition, and they have here a plus b is equal to b plus a. And they give an example of 3 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 3. And the verbal hint says commute equals to get up and move to a new location or switch places. So on my sheet, I'm going to talk about the property in words. So we could say, let's see, how a number moves back and forth in a problem, right? And then I could say something like, let's see, g plus 3 is equal to, and I can change their positions, 3 plus g. And sometimes we do, commutative property just to make things easier to deal with. For example, if we had 10 plus g plus 3, we might rearrange g plus 3 to become 3 plus g. So we had 10 plus 3, then added to g. And we do the same thing with the associative property. We could look down through our list, and we can see here we've got an example. 3 added to 4 plus 5 is the same thing as 3 added to 4, then adding 5. So basically, it's regrouping. So we could say the order of grouping does not change the answer, right? And we can talk about, this is really great for like mental math and things like that. So if I had 47 plus 12 plus 3, I could rearrange it to be 47 plus 3 plus 12. So then I could mental math it. 47 plus 3 is 50. Added to 12 would give me 62. Excellent. All right, so this is what I'm expecting of you on your sheet. You have the rest of your math time to complete the sheet. It is 2 pages, basically, but it's a total of 12, and I basically just helped you with the first 2. So I think you can do the rest of them. Make sure that if you do it on physical paper, it does not get thrown away. If you do it digitally, of course, make sure it doesn't get deleted. And we'll be using this for an activity when I see you again, probably next Monday or Tuesday. So, all right. Great job, you guys.